Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video today, we are going to learn about Google Analytics. We are going to set up Google Analytics. I will show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress, and we are also going to understand different metrics under Google Analytics. Before I go ahead and show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress, if you have not checked our WordPress setup or website setup or a blog setup video, please check that video first and set up your website first if you don't have a WordPress website. So I will link the whole free digital marketing playlist down below, and you can check those videos first, set up the WordPress website, and then come here and install Google Analytics on your website. So let's get started quickly. To set up Google Analytics on your website, you need to just open new window and search for Google Analytics. You need to have a Google account for you to set up Google Analytics for your website. So I'm sure everybody has a Gmail account these days. You need one Gmail account. Use that account. You just go and search for Google Analytics. Click on the first link here. So once you click there, it'll take you to this window here. So it says welcome to Google Analytics. Just click on start measuring, and then once it asks you, start measuring, you can give your account name here. So account name can be your name, since you're just you know uh, going to create the Google Analytics account on your name. So keep it as your name, and then you can go with all these options, keep it as default, click on next, and then it asks the property name. Property name is your website name, or if you're using it for your mobile app or landing page, whatever you're using it for, that is going to be your website name. So for I am going to install it on our website, Nikhil training, yeah. So it says training, right? So I'll that is going to be my property name. Obviously I'll choose my time zone, which is India right now. So sorry, just a second, let me choose my time zone, India. And currency, you can choose USD. It's for me it's INR, so I will go with INR, and then click on next. After that, it is going to ask you the business info. So what industry are you on? Just select any industry. For me, I'll just go with arts and entertainment. Then we have business size, just smallest one for me. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? So you can check here: measure customer engagement, optimize my website, measure data across multiple platforms. I think I'll go with all of these options, right? Then click on create. Then it is asking us to accept the terms of service. I'll choose the country here, sorry, India, done. Select I accept, done. So yeah, now it is giving me a few options here. My email communications, you need performance email, feature announcement, feedbacks, offers from Google. You can check all these if you want to get those offers. Click on save, done. You can go to your website directly, and you can also install another plugin, uh, which is a plugin by Google called, if you just search for Google, I think that's the only plugin by Google, yeah. So Sitegit by Google, that's a plugin. Just install the plugin and activate the plugin, done. So now it is going to give us this option to start setup. Let's click on start setup. Click on sign in with Google. Obviously I'm going to sign in with, done. It is giving me these options. I'll click on allow again, and then it is asking me verify ownership. So I'll just click on proceed. Yeah, so it's verified. let's click on allow account data. That is also verified. Set up search console. So first it is going to set up the search console. It has set up the search console now. Just click on next, next, next. I think you should be able to do it. So now we need to connect our Google Analytics account here. Just click on Google Analytics and yeah, sign in with your account and click on allow again, and it is going to take me to this. So yeah, it is selecting these options. It has selected me the property here, sorry, the account name and the property here. So this is the property which you can also directly create a property from here itself. If if you don't have the property, you can just directly click on set up a new property. So it will ask you a few options. So you just allow those options and it is going to create a property for you directly, and you can just select that property here and just click on configure analytics. Once that is done, so it shows it is connected now. So now you need to go to your Google Analytics website. So you need to make sure that you are in the same account, same property, and obviously in the same view. Once that is done, just go to home, and yeah, so now it shows 0 users right now. So I want you to visit your website from your mobile phone and try to refresh the website and see if it shows active users. If it shows active users, that means your website is connected to Google Analytics now. Yep. So I visited my website from mobile phone and you can see it shows number of active users, currently 1. So it is successfully connected to the website. So now you can see the properties properly connected. If you go here and if you go to dashboard, on your dashboard also you will not be able to see any data here, but just wait for 2-3 days, at least one day, and you should be able to see analytics and search console data directly coming on this screen as well. So this is also very helpful plugin directly by Google. Now let us understand few other things, a few other reports on Google Analytics. Once you have all these things, how do you actually measure things? So let's understand few metrics here. So you have just connected your Google Analytics account, and it is not going to show you any numbers right now, but you will have to wait few days and get few traffic on your website so that it starts showing numbers. So just wait for a few days. Once you get traffic to your website, it will show you the numbers as well. So here you can see number of active users currently on the website. This is a demo website, is 21. You can see what all pages they are on. It also shows that this is the real-time report, number of users, what's the revenue you are making on the website, conversion rate and sessions, all these things. So in the real-time report you will see all the metrics, all the data related to real time. For example, if you go to locations, it shows you at present, at current time, where are the people coming from to your website. So if you see US 10, India 7, Canada 1, Italy 1, Poland 1. So these are total number of users on the website right now. So right now 21 users total. And then again it shows you by traffic sources, from what source they are coming. So they are coming directly, that's the source. They have not come from any social media platform or any other platform. They are directly coming to the website. What content they are viewing, what pages, which means that what pages they are on. So these are the pages they are on, and so on and so forth. There are other metrics also. So this is the real-time report. I'll not get too much into real-time report. There are 4 major reports which we have to look at right now: is audience, acquisition, behavior and conversion. These are the 4 most important reports. Audience report is a report of your audience, their demographic, their geolocations, their behavior and much more things. So if you look at overview, uh, this is the report which is going to show you in detail data for all the users, new users and all, returning users, new visitors, you can see here. So there are about 21% returning users, 22% and 77% new users on the website. You have this graph here. This graph is for users. You can also, if you click here, so it'll be for new users now. You can change the graph like that, and you can also check it by hourly. So this is by hourly, and this was by day, then week, and then based on month. You can also change the date. You can check. Right now it shows just for past 7 days. Let's say I want to see for past 30 days, so I'll choose here last 30 days, apply, and this is what it is going to show me here. So this is the data for past 30 days, right? Let's look at the metrics here, users. So on this website, you can see in the last 30 days, we have got 51,951 users in the past 30 days, users on the website. These many people visited the website in the past 30 days. New users, how many new users came? So it says there are returning users also, right? So how many new users came to the website? So the 47,718 new users came to the website. New means for the first time they visited the website. How many sessions they have done? So 67,054 sessions. So one user can do multiple sessions on the website, which means uh, they can visit the website multiple times and multiple different durations. So that's how the sessions are counted. Basically, if I'll tell you, a session is nothing but a session starts when you visit the website, and session ends when you don't do any activity for at least 30 minutes on the website. For example, let's say I visited this website. This is my website. I visited this website. Okay, I checked out the content, but now I just directly went to YouTube. I started watching YouTube videos. Okay, and it took me around 35 minutes or 40 minutes to watch that video. Now, if I come back to the website again, it will start a new session because I came after 30 minutes. Okay, if I would have come before 30 minutes, the same session would be resuming here. So that's how the actual session is counted. Okay, how many total sessions? 67,054. Number of sessions per user. One user have done 1.2 sessions total. Page views, 332,000 page views total. Pages per session. Okay, so page views, let me talk about page views also. So one user can visit a website, that is going to be counted as one user, but he can visit 10 different pages. He can visit multiple different pages, right? So I have just now done 2 page views. So that's how the page views are counted here. So there are 51,000 users, but they have done 332,000 page views on the website. Pages per session. Per session, how many pages viewed? 4.9, almost 5 pages uh, per session. Average session duration. So it says 3 minutes 20 seconds is the average session duration on the website. On an average, how long a session is lasting? So it is 3 minutes 20 seconds. Bounce rate on the website. So you might have heard about bounce rate. Bounce rate is nothing but a single page visit of the website. For example, I visited digital marketing blog directly. Okay, I liked the content. I read everything, but I did not visit any other page. Okay, on this website, I left the website directly. Just came onto this page and left the website directly. That is going to be counted as a bounced user. Okay, and if I do not visit any other page, okay, then that is counted as a bounced user. If I visit any other page, so that is going to be counted as unbounced. Okay, so what is the bounced rate here? It's 47 percent, which means out of all the people who visited the website, 47% of the people just visited one page or single page of the website. Bounce rate is totally related to the situation. It can be a good metric also, it can be a bad metric also for few website. Okay, so yeah, these are total metrics here, and based on these only all the reports are being shown on this Google Analytics. So if you go to demographic and if you go to overview, it is going to show you what demographic the websites, the people are coming for, what age group and what gender. So for example, age group in detail, if you want to see, you can see what age group has come. So 25 to 34, 7,000 people, 18 to 24, 5,000 people, and again, same things here. There's another thing called goals, which I think I won't be able to, cover it in this video, but I will definitely bring up another video for Google Analytics goals also. You can set up goals and you can check how many people have achieved those goals. So gender wise, if you see, that's how it is. Yeah, 10,000 and 10,000. So that's the ratio again. Interest, you can have different interest here under Google Analytics. Affinity, in market, other categories. So affinity and in market, if you remember, you have talked about, I think, in Google Ads. If we have not, affinity is the audience which is a fresh audience. In market is an audience which is actively looking for your product. So these are the different kinds of audiences, and you can see their user engagement here. Then comes the geo, what language, what location they are coming from. You can check that as well. You can check technology, what browser, what network they are using. Network, I'm not sure they are going to give because it was removed recently. Yeah, so it's removed recently, but a browser and OS, you can check it. Mobile, what mobile devices they are using, and what cross devices. This is a new report, cross device report, device overlap will show. So how many people have come or visited your website from desktop as well as mobile. Single user is visiting from desktop also, he's visiting from mobile also. That's a device overlap report, and then device path report are also there. I'll not get into much into deeper into these things. You can just check it out, it's very easy to understand. And then you have this user flow here. Directly skip to user flow and you can see this wonderful map here of users. So see, 28,000 people came from the United States and visited mostly home page, but they have also visited other pages. From home page they went to other different pages. You can see this is what it shows. It shows the user flow here, how the users are flowing onto the website, what pages they are mostly visiting. So that's a audience report. Then go to acquisition. Acquisition is there. How did you acquire those users? What was the source of acquisition? So if you go to overview, here it is going to show you direct. So directly, how many people came? 50,000 people came on this website directly. They directly typed the website and came to the website. That's great. Paid search, 690 people came with paid search. Search ads. If you don't know what is search ads, do check out our paid search campaign setup video. I'll put the free digital marketing playlist link below. You can check out that video and see what are those search ads. So from search, 690 people came. From display ads, 245 254 people came. Affiliates, 152. And organic search means they have done the Google search, they came from there, 4 people. And referral, 3 people came. So likewise, they have just given all these in detail. You can check out all these options here. I will again not go into in detail of all these options. These are wonderful stats. If you go deeper, if you dive deeper into analytics of your website. Then comes behavior. This is user behavior. For user behavior, what pages or what content your users are visiting. Mostly you will find here what pages they are visiting. So that's what it shows, mostly home page, then basket page, store page. All these pages, you can see the most popular one which people are visiting. and behavior flow, you can see that also. Site content, what pages. So I think pages we have seen here. Site speed, it also shows you what which pages are loading slow on your website, you know, how much time each and every browser is taking to load. So you can see that here, right? Page timings also, which pages are loading slow. If you see here, this page is loading little slow, you know, on an average. This line in it is a website average time. So on average, this is the slowest page, and then mostly are the fine, but we do have one or two pages, so you probably might optimize that page also. Site search, that's about in website search. Okay, what does that mean? Like Amazon has its own search engine within the website, right? So people search there, right? So you can have that metrics also here within the website search, inside search, right? So these are different user behavior metrics. Then let's go to conversions. I talked about goals. You will need to set up goals before you understand what are goals here. But again, if you see here, so 14,864 people achieved the goals on this website. A goal can be somebody purchasing a product or somebody filling up a form. That can also be a goal. So these are the goals. If you see here, 22% people, is the conversion rate of the website. That's a wonderful conversion rate. You can see here goal completion location, from where people have completed the goals. So these are different goals set up on this website. Reverse goal path, you can understand from which pages people were on before they came to the final page. Okay, so that can be also you can understand. For example, let's say after somebody purchase a product on your website, you show them a thank you page. So thank you page can be a goal page for us. So before thank you page, what pages people were on, so that also you can see here. Okay, and you can actually visualize your funnel also. You can understand. Okay, so cart, one of the goal is cart here. How many people came to the cart page? 7,933. From where they came? Home page, Google redesign, store, all these pages. And finally 4,700 people just exited from that page, but 3,233 people did the conversion and went into billing page. After cart, then billing page. Out of 3,233, these many people just left the website. But again, 2,412 people came to payment page. And out of 2,412 people who came to payment page, 1,868 people came to review page. So payment review is also one of the in between step. If you uh, if you go and check out e-commerce website, some e-commerce website do have it, some don't. They directly have after payment page the purchase completed page, which can be a thank you page. So on that page, how many people came? 1,740, which means they have sold to 1,740 people. Okay, so that's a very good conversion rate, which it says is 21% funnel conversion rate. Okay, that's how you can visualize also of your conversion. Then you have multiple different factors of e-commerce, like what are the different uh, like for example, if you go to shopping behavior, which pages they are visiting, from where they are exiting. You can identify certain problems on those pages. For example, if somebody is not able to move to cart page from from your product page, probably there might be some problem with the button. Button might not be uh, working, images might not be right, or the reviews are not right on the products. You will need to fix all these things to uh, optimize your conversion. So those decisions you can take based on these factors here. So I think for this report, that's all for this video. I don't want this video to be very long. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will definitely come up with a video, another video for your answers. So thank you so much. If you have not checked out our whole free digital marketing playlist, please do check it out. Link is in the description and I will put it in the screens also. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. It'll keep me motivated and I will keep coming with the newer, most interesting and knowledgeable videos in future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Ihaksi.